This guide will help you enable and optimize the graphics settings in Red Dead Redemption 2 for an enhanced gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Red Dead Redemption 2 on your PC. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding to the settings. Step 2. Access the settings menu. From the main menu, navigate to the settings option. Click on it to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 3. Select graphics settings. Within the settings menu, find and select the graphics tab. This section allows you to modify the visual aspects of the game, including resolution, texture quality, and more. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Review the available graphics options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. Adjust these settings according to your hardware capabilities and personal preferences for optimal performance and visual quality. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your desired adjustments, ensure you save the changes. It may be beneficial to restart the game to apply all settings effectively. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming experience in Red Dead Redemption 2 with optimized graphics settings. Enjoy your adventure in the game.